Let's talk about a new law that's changing how businesses handle tax forms, the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, or OBBBA. This law was signed by the President on July 4th, 2025, and is one of the biggest tax and spending overhauls in recent years. If you file 1099 forms for your business, there are two changes you really need to know about. First, Form 1099 NEC, the form used to report payments to freelancers and independent contractors. Right now, businesses have to file this form for any non-employee they pay $600 or more in a year. The new law raises that threshold to $2,000, so if you're paying a contractor less than $2,000 for the year, you won't need to issue them a 1099 NEC anymore. This new threshold kicks in for payments made on or after January 1st, 2026, meaning the old $600 rule still applies for 2025. So don't change anything yet for this year's filings. Second, Form 1099-K, used by payment platforms like Venmo, PayPal, Stripe, and Etsy. The bill repeals the lower $600 threshold that was set to take effect and instead brings back the old rule, $20,000 in gross payments and $200 transactions per year. This one's a bit different timing-wise. It applies retroactively to calendar years after December 31st, 2024, so it's already in effect for tax year 2025, with the first 1099-Ks reflecting this going out in January 2026. So, who does this impact? Basically, small businesses that hire freelancers or contractors, gig economy platforms and gig workers, anyone selling goods or services through apps like Venmo, PayPal, or Etsy, and payroll and accounting teams responsible for issuing these forms. Here's what filers should do right now. Update your systems. Make sure your accounting or payroll software reflects the new $2,000 threshold for 2026 payments. Don't touch 2025 1099 NEC filings. The $600 rule still applies for this year. Recheck your 1099-K reporting for 2025. Since that threshold reverted retroactively, some vendors or platforms may no longer need to send you one. Talk to your tax professional or filing platform, especially if you manage filings for multiple contractors or vendors, since threshold changes can affect who needs a form and who doesn't. Bottom line, OBBBA raises the bar for who needs a 1099, which means less paperwork for a lot of small businesses. But the timing is different for each form, so keep those dates straight. Stay tuned for more Bandit briefs as the IRS releases further guidance.